Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will be well. In this video, I will tell you how to get online appointment for battery replacement of cars, bikes and any type of batteries. It is very easy and simple procedure. First of all, you open any internet browser in your mobile. When internet browser is open, click on browser search bar and type here calabattery.ae. When you type calabattery.ae and then search it, when you search it calabattery.ae, this website is open in front of you. Make an appointment, then click on call button. When you click on call button, next page will open in front of you of this type. Click on phone and type just once or double click our phone. When you click our phone, this number is show in your call dial page. This number dial from any sim, and when you call and get online appointment for battery replacement.